Hello everyone. I just want to show you something. So I made a big mistake when I was storing away my kayaks. I'm going to show you that. As you can see, I got a huge dent in my wife's kayak. It's the way I stored it. Normally I put a piece of wood underneath, or mine I flip upside down so it doesn't put pressure on the hull. But there is a way to fix that, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you that right now, how to get rid of that, and it shouldn't take long. So, still early in the season, but I'd like to fix that before we start using these. So I'm going to show you that right now. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is you're going to have to take it out. It's not going to be on a warm day too, where the sun's nice and bright. So what you want to do is you want to warm up the underside of this, and then once it's all nice and warm, I should be able to reshape it. So I'll just give you an idea what it looks like. I'll try to get a good angle here. So yeah, you kind of see that there. So I'm going to let this sit in the sun for a few hours. And sometimes it'll pop back by itself, but sometimes you just need to reshape it. And it should be okay. Well, anyways, we'll let that get warm and then we'll see what happens. Okay, it's been about an hour and hasn't popped on its own. We'll just kind of see if it made any difference there. We'll compare. So that's what we have right now. And what I'll have to do is I'll probably try to pop it back. I'll just give my wife the phone here. Oops. There we go. So you can either try squeezing it, but it's a little tough, so I'm going to put it on the side. Just kind of side here is not quite ready yet. So it's a little bit better. Kind of show you. Yeah, it's a lot better. Yeah, it's only 16 degrees out. Normally on a warmer day, it'd be easier to shape. I'm gonna leave it for another probably hour, and then I'll see if I can get it a little bit better. But it is a lot better. So now my wife doesn't have to yell at me. Perfect. Okay, so it's been a few hours now. We'll just check and see how the hull is. Yeti, you're testing it out. Good job. Good job. Okay, get off. Drop it. See, it bounces back now. So Yeti's doing the testing.
And scratching it all up.
Bouncing it back. So it looks good. Let's double check. I'll give it a couple more squeezes there. Ooh, let's get nice and warm anyways. And that looked a lot better. So like Yeti was doing there, testing it, it's just bouncing back now. I'll just take a good look at it from this angle. So that looks really good. So yeah, so if you ever run into this problem, just set your kayak on the ground on a nice sunny day, and then it'll either pop back or you might have to work a little bit, but that's how you fix it. No problems. Thanks for watching.